As part of Pie Day, we are going to be learning how to make library pie today. For library pie, you will need the following ingredients and supplies. First, you are going to need a large bowl. You will also need a pie pan. You will also need a zester, a knife, a spoon, and a brush. For ingredients, you are going to need pie crusts and an egg, cornstarch, blueberries, limes, and sugar. So that's all you're going to need, so let's go ahead and get started. First step is going to be taking your blueberries, washing them, and dumping them into a bowl. Pretty easy step. Next, you are going to measure out half a cup of sugar and add it to your bowl of blueberries. Once you have your sugar in there, you're going to take your limes, and I kind of roll them on the table to make sure that they are nice and juicy. But once you have that step done, you're going to take your limes and zest the skin of them. You want to make sure that you are just zesting the green part of the skin and not the white. The white part is pretty bitter and we don't want that to be a part of our pie. So go ahead and zest both of your limes. After that, you are going to take your knife and carefully cut them in half and squeeze them really hard and get all of the juice out and into your bowl with your blueberries. So next you are going to grab your cornstarch and you are going to add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. So I only had half a tablespoon measuring spoon, so I'm going to add 6 half tablespoons to make 3 full tablespoons. Just a little bit of fun math for you. All right, it's time to stir all of the ingredients together. So just make sure that all of your blueberries are coated in all of the ingredients. So now's the fun part, and we are going to fill our pie crust with our blueberries. And then we're also going to top our pie crust. So I did a very fun design of pie, cut it out of the other pie crust, and decorated the top of my pie. Now also, you want to make sure that your oven is preheated to 375 degrees so that once it's all filled and topped, it is ready to go into the oven. So make sure that this is the time that your creativity can shine on through and you can decorate the top of your pie however you feel like. So before I put the pie into the oven, I'm going to give the top portion an egg wash. So I'm just taking 1 egg and kind of scrambling it a little bit with my brush, and then I'm just going to brush it on top of the pie crust on top of my pie. And so this will make sure that the top layer is nice and crispy once it is baked. And this is my favorite part. So now the pie is fully completed and it will go into the oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Once it is time for it to come out, make sure to put on some gloves and keep your hands protected. And then you are ready to have your pie sit out and chill for a few minutes, and then you're ready to eat it. Hope you enjoy library pie.